Welcome back. Are you ready for another fun, easy, very quick tutorial? I hope you've had a lovely week so far, and we're going to get straight into it. So I've already popped on my white base. This is a beautiful little 8" by 8" canvas. And today, the easy bit comes in. At least I think it's easy. It's very easy, free-flowing. We're going to use an open cup for this one. So this is a cup which I've cut and I've just popped it there in the center. And I'm pouring my colors into the center of this cup. So the first color I've thrown on there is an olive green color. The next color I'm popping in is turquoise. Following that up with more olive green. Next is gold. And I'm pouring it in from a height. Okay, I'm not that close to the canvas. Maybe give yourself 30 centimeters from the surface of the canvas. I'm coming back in with the same green again. Just whatever the remnants of what's left in that cup there. And here's the beautiful yellowish green color. And it is literally that, a yellowish green. And I'm throwing in just a little sprinkling of the white base on top of that. And for now, the colour stays within the cup because I haven't put in a huge amount. If I did, it would flow out underneath the cup. But for now it isn't, but it will. Continuing to top up the white colour because now I am trying to fill up the inside of that cup. This is such a fun technique. Such a fun technique. And very excited to be showing it to you. So on top of that, I'm popping in black. I'm filling it up again with more turquoise. Now you see the paint that's pushing itself out from underneath the cup into the base. That's exactly what we want. So I'm just grabbing the same colors I've used and I'm topping it in again from a height because we're pouring the paint in from a height. And it's going to create an instant effect and push the paint out. So that's what's happening here. And now what I'm going to do, because I think I've filled it up enough, is I'm going to gently lift the cup up. Not a whole lot to let all the paint out. I'm lifting it up ever so slightly gradually. And I'm dragging it along the top of where the paint is. Do you see? And I'm just dragging it off the edge of the canvas as best I can. And you see the beautiful effect we have? And I'm just going to tilt it. Now I don't know what this is going to come out like yet, so I'm tilting it slowly in different directions to see if I can get some nice cells to pop up. And then once I've hooked the paint over one of the edges, I'm letting it just flow back then in the opposite direction because I want all of this beautiful paint to flow off and we'll have no more of the white base left. That's what's happening here. See, then the edge, there was a bit of white, but I won't have enough paint to tilt it back. So I just took my thumb there, pressed into the paint and kind of dragged it over that white bit. And that's all you need is just to get it hooked over. The green vibe in this one. So beautiful. And it's matched up with a lovely like grey graphite as well. Worked out very nice. Very nice. Yeah, one of my favourites. And that is it. You see how easy and simple that was? So small, effortless. Definitely give it a try. And let me know how it goes if you do. It's so beautiful. The cells came up even more than when we'd finished tilting it. But it's really, really beautiful. And such a small, cute piece as well. I love it. And that wraps up this video, guys. Short and sweet. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely weekend. Or a lovely time whenever you end up watching this. And I will be back with you again next week. Bye.